While we were waiting outside of a nursing home in the Kitanaka-Gusku area, I actually saw some birds trying to fly through a car window. They flittered about the outside of the window, which was totally sealed. I wasn't able to capture any footage of that, but I was able to get some footage of this wonderful Susa. Before long, the Susa was joined by some visitors, 2 whiteheads. These are the birds that are not native to the island, but have the absolutely beautiful song that you hear on several of my videos. I really feel fortunate that I was able to get this footage because in the past I've only been able to get their beautiful songs, without much luck on the visuals. Here are 2 examples from Dawn's Birdsong, Okinawa 2006. On this day, the pair of whiteheads seemed more interested in basking in the sun and grooming than they did in emitting the beautiful songs. At Home with Okinawa 2007 is a Just a Wife creation.